going on, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's another video, another lesson. Let's go, baby. So as you can see here, the market is been giving us the downtrend. You can see here we got this trend line right here, and the market, you can see that it's been moving on the trend line as lower low, lower low. At this point, give us lower high to the trend line, as you can see here. What's going on, traders? Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video, guys. So today, guys, I want to let you know, guys, how I funded this winning strategy. You know what I'm saying? So as we speak, guys, me and my team, we're killing Euro KD and we're killing KDJPY. Do you want to see here? You see? When it comes to Euro KD, I've been killing Euro KD for like almost 2 weeks. You know what I'm saying? I've been swinging this trade, guys, for 2 weeks. The reason why I've been swinging this trade for 2 weeks is because I didn't want to mess up my signal. Because when I see the market still moving, like still moving in high and high lows, what I do, you know how I do, guys. I've been explaining this for a long time. When I see the market is moving on high lows, what I do, I always keep on locking my profit. And this is how I do it, and this is how you can do it. And I say, so I'm gonna take you through to the chart, guys, to show you how I was able to find all of these trades, guys, the strategy that I'm using and everything. You know, I don't hide anything from you guys, and how I was able to take this entry. The reason why I took the entry, I'm about to show you all these things. You know what I'm saying? So let me first get out the car, because I just feel like I wanna have some hair fresh, guys. Definitely guys, I'm not in my office today. I'm just outside, you know. Today I was like, you know, I don't wanna trade. I don't want to spend my day in a office, you know what I'm saying? I was like, today I just want to spend my day outside, you know what I'm saying? Because, you know, sometimes, guys, it's tiring of being in a office every day, you know. I have no one to talk to. It's just me and the market, you know what I'm saying? Then I was like, today I don't want to be in the house no more. I just want to be outside. And I decided to come over here. You can see we got a beautiful view right here. I decided to come over here and spend my all day here, but it doesn't mean that the business, you know, it has to stop, but the business keeps going, you know what I'm saying? So as we speak right now, I showed you guys, you know what I'm saying, we're having some hair fresh and we're busy killing the market, you know how we do. So let me show you guys how I was able to find these two trades, and then maybe you can use it as your opportunity, you know what I'm saying? You can just use it as your opportunity in order for you to start taking the trades. Let me show you. So guys, I hope now you can see here. We have KDJPY, you know what I'm saying, on the chart. You know what I'm saying? I'm just using my laptop because I'm not in my office, you know what I'm saying, so I'm just using my laptop right here. So as you can see, guys, right here we got KDJPY. Let me show you something which you need to know. So as you can see here, the market is been giving us the downtrend. You can see here we got this trend line right here, and the market, you can see that it's been moving on the trend line as lower low, lower low. At this point, give us lower high to the trend line, as you can see here, and it gave us continuation as you know, as if it's going on downtrend, and it gave us the pullback, and this is where we got the light trend line. And after that, the market has been trending on a trend line until the market decided to break out the trend line. You can see that the trend line was very correct. You can see that the trend line was correct, and the market decided to break the trend line right here. And after the market break the trend line right here, you can see that here we got a two two connections, which we have. This one right here shows that the market has been reject on going, the market has been rejected by going downtrend. Now the market decided to go on uptrend. After that, after the market gave us the breakout, and then the market gave us some confirmations, candlesticks right here. I hope you can see them. So let me switch the raw time frame and show you the really reason why I entered this trade. So this is the raw time frame. Now you can see that, you can clearly see that the market is no longer on downtrend. The market now is going on uptrend. So right now I already entered the market with my team, and we're in a profit. Obvious, we're already in a profit. And guys, remember guys, how I do, I told you guys, in the market, for you to be safe, for you to not risk your money, every day, every day you see the market already enter in a profit. So we're just waiting for the market to break this area right here. After the market break this area right here, after the market reach at this point right here, we're gonna shift our stop loss from here inside to the profit. You understand? That's how we do. But so far you can see that we're moving in a profit. You can see KDJPY right there, and you can see Euro KD right here. I've been killing this market so much, guys. Let me show you guys. You see, like now as we speak, guys, you can see here, you can see what I do at this trade, guys. I keep on shifting my stop loss. This is where I took the entry. Let me show you where I took the entry from. Let me show you guys. This is where I got the entry from here. I got the entry from here, and now you can see I already secure my profit at this point here. So which means all this profit from here all the way to this point here is protected. So that's how you do it, guys. You understand? That's how you do it, because you must always make sure you protect your account. Make sure you protect your account every single time. So guys, I hope you learned something from how I trade, how I protect my profit and stuff. So that's how I do it, guys, and I show you guys everything of how I do it, so that you can learn, and earn the money. So if you're new to the channel, you already know this channel, guys, right here. What I do from this channel, guys, is to teach everyone, guys, how you can be able to trade in a light way. If you can, for everything that I'm showing you guys, you're going to pass the challenge for real. You're going to pass the challenge. You're gonna make money in the Forex market as I do. So if you're in the channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and like the video, so that the video can reach more people outside, and help more people, so let's do this, so if you got any type of question, just leave the comment below. Let me know what is your question, and if you got any content idea, just leave the comment below, guys, because I do read your comments, guys, and make the video for you guys, because I don't do what I want. I always do what you guys want to learn about. If you want to learn about something, let me know, like, yo, Sniper, please do this type of video, and then I'm gonna do it for you guys, because that's the video you guys want, so yeah. So make sure you do the right things, make sure you like the video, outside, baby. Peace out.